Welcome to Brand Investigation. I wanted to buy the best whey protein powder brands in online, but there were so many brands and models listed that I couldn't decide. But it had countless options too now. Don't worry, we have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart customer reviews, Trustpilot user ratings, Quora users question with answers, and Walmart ratings and reviews for you. We're comparing the best whey protein powder, Whole the Truth, Optimum Nutrition, Carbamide Forte, and MuscleBlaze, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Let's start with protein per serving. Carbamide Forte provides the highest protein per serving at 30 grams, making it the best for protein intake. The Whole Truth offers 26 grams, MuscleBlaze 25 grams, and Optimum Nutrition 20 grams, 24 grams. Now, let's check BCAA content. Carbamide Forte leads with 6.89 grams BCAA, followed by the Whole Truth at 6.4 grams, MuscleBlaze at 6 grams, and Optimum Nutrition at 5.5 grams. Higher BCAA helps in muscle recovery. Next, let's talk about EAA content. Carbamide Forte stands out with 14.5 grams EAA, while the rest don't specify their EAA content. More EAA ensures better muscle growth. Moving on to the protein source, Carbamide Forte provides pure whey isolate, ensuring faster absorption. Optimum Nutrition and MuscleBlaze offer a blend of whey isolate and concentrate, while the Whole Truth only has whey concentrate. What about digestive enzymes? Carbamide Forte and MuscleBlaze include digestive enzymes for better absorption, whereas the Whole Truth and Optimum Nutrition do not. Let's check for added sugar and preservatives. Optimum Nutrition contains added sugar and preservatives, while the Whole Truth, Carbamide Forte, and MuscleBlaze have no added sugar or preservatives, making them healthier choices. Now let's talk about flavors. If you prefer unflavored protein, the Whole Truth is a good option. Optimum Nutrition comes in double rich chocolate, Carbamide Forte in Belgian chocolate, and MuscleBlaze in rich chocolate. Moving on to calorie count, Carbamide Forte has the lowest calories at 110 kilocalories per serving, while the Whole Truth and MuscleBlaze have 130 kilocalories, and Optimum Nutrition has 120 kilocalories. Let's check the fat content. Optimum Nutrition and Carbamide Forte have only 1 gram of fat per serving, while the Whole Truth and MuscleBlaze have 2 grams each. What about certifications? The Whole Truth, 100% authentic. Whey verified, Optimum Nutrition, Informed Choice certified, Carbamide Forte, FSSAI approved, MuscleBlaze, LabDoor USA and UK certified. These certifications ensure product quality and safety. Now, let's look at the intended use. The Whole Truth and MuscleBlaze are best for muscle building. Optimum Nutrition is designed for muscle recovery and strength. Carbamide Forte is great for lean muscle and digestion. Let's check solubility. Optimum Nutrition and MuscleBlaze have excellent solubility, meaning they mix easily. The Whole Truth and Carbamide Forte are rated good, meaning they might need more effort to mix. Now, let's talk about positive ratings. Optimum Nutrition has the highest positive rating at 92%, followed by MuscleBlaze at 90%, Carbamide Forte at 88%, and the Whole Truth at 0%, 86%. Finally, let's look at customer ratings. Optimum Nutrition and MuscleBlaze have the best ratings at 4.5 stars, while the Whole Truth and Carbamide Forte have 4 stars, still making them great choices. Prices change daily. To check exact model and latest price in the description. You can also check the ratings and reviews in our link. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel.